Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon error code 6304. It causes a few quick fixes and when should you connect or contact to support. Fix 1. Restart your Fios TV box. Turn off the TV and Fios TV box. Unplug the TV box from the power outlet. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in and allow it to fully restart. Try playing the content again. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Verizon Fios TV is working properly. Restart your Fios router if your connection is slow or unstable. Once the router is back online, test the TV service again. Fix 3. Try different content. Play another DVR recording or on demand title. If only one program shows error 6304, the recording or content may be unavailable or corrupted. Fix 4. Check for a Verizon service outage. Sign in to your Verizon account or visit the Verizon support page to see if there is a service outage in your area. If there's an outage, wait until Verizon restores the service. Fix 5. Refresh your TV box. Open the My Verizon app or sign in to your Verizon account. Go to your Fios TV device settings. Select Refresh TV box if available. Wait for the refresh to complete and try again. Fix 6. Contact your Verizon support. If error 6304 continues after restarting your equipment and checking your connection, contact your Verizon support. They can refresh your account, check for signal issues, or determine if the TV box needs to be replaced. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.